Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the screen replacement on your HP 250 G8, you will need the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to the components. Start by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the battery if your model allows it. This is crucial for your safety and to avoid any electrical damage. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the laptop. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing any. Once the screws are out, use the plastic prying tool to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious to avoid damaging any clips that may hold it in place. With the back panel removed, you will see various components, including the screen connectors. Identify the screen assembly and the cables connecting it to the motherboard. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust inside the laptop for better airflow once reassembled. Now, gently disconnect the cables for the screen. This usually involves lifting a small latch or gently pulling the connectors out. After disconnecting the cables, locate the screws securing the screen to the laptop frame. Remove these screws carefully, as they may be small and easy to drop. Once the screws are out, you can lift the screen away from the frame. Be careful with the hinges as they can be fragile. Place the new screen in position, ensuring it aligns with the screw holes. Before you secure the new screen, remember that if you're not comfortable with this process or lack the necessary tools, we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. You can simply reach out to us, and we'll assist you further. Now, reconnect the screen cables to the motherboard. Make sure they are securely connected to avoid any issues later on. Once everything is back in place, screw the screen into the frame securely. Always double-check that it is seated properly. After securing the screen, replace the back panel by aligning it correctly and pressing it back into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier to ensure the back panel is securely fastened. If you prefer convenience, remember that we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier than ever to get your laptop serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple and efficient process. Finally, reinsert the battery if applicable, and power on your laptop to test the new screen. Ensure that everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, feel free to reach out for a quote before repair. We are here to help you with any further troubleshooting. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.